Hello. There's this brand called Los Angeles Project. It's a fashion brand, and I was perusing Gmarket a few weeks ago, and there's a brand called Los Angeles Project LAP. If you saw my vlog, and I had that sort of little haul at the end of the video, there's some products from LAP. This is their clothing brand, and they have this sort of collaboration with Kang Daniel, in which he modeled for them, and apparently there were some of his Daniel's picks, even though we fucking well know that he did not pick the shit. They were like, you're gonna fucking wear this, you're gonna take photos in it, and we're gonna sell it. Immediately sold out, but I was lucky enough to grab some of the things. It did take, I ordered 3 things. Okay, there's 2 sort of Daniel's picks sort of boxes, and there was like another thing there that I kind of liked, so I bought that as well, and they all kind of came in at different times, even though I ordered them from the same place on the same day. I don't know. Anyway, I'll show you the 2 curated boxes and then the 3rd thing later. They're very expensive. The denim edition was 123,000 won, and the rain edition, which ironically has less things but is more expensive, it's 141,000 won, and it's a raincoat. I don't know what makes the material more expensive than the denim, but anyway, we'll see. We'll unbox them, and yeah. So they all come with posters. I guess you're supposed to come with 2 each, but for some reason the rain one came with 3. There's a lot of posters going on, so I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do with these. Should we open one? Oh my, oh, they fucking did it. It's one of those posters that's 2-sided, so you gotta choose one side to put on your wall. 아이고. 역시. 이거 너무 귀엽다. 너무 귀여운 거야. Yeah, but the material is actually pretty nice. It's not really that shiny finish, it's kind of that matte finish. I don't know why that would matter, but I don't know if they have different posters in them. There's this red one, and then there's this beige one. Let me open the beige one. Oh! 잘생겼다. Oh, so cute. Oh, I sound so fake. So cute. Okay. Oh! Alright, Wonho. Giving you a run for your money. Just kidding. Alright, so I'll set those aside, but for now, the important part, the boxes. So they came in these pink boxes here. This one is the denim edition. It's 123,000 won, and it comes with, what is this? There's this thing in here. I don't know what this is. Is it supposed to hold something? We'll see. There's these cute little stickers. Adorable. And then there's this cute but kind of tacky little tote bag with the name with his name, Daniel, on it. Well, that's cute. It has a little button on there for you to close it, but honestly, for me with these tote bags, it's one of those things where you kind of just want to throw shit in there, so I don't think that I would even care. I mean, it's nice that it's there. This little discreet button for you to close it up, and there's a extra pocket in here, but it's just it's a tote bag. I'm gonna start reviewing this shit. Well, the material is great. It's just like one of those eco bags. And in Korea, they call these eco bags because they're, you know, the environmentally friendly bags. There's actually pretty cute little, oh my god, look at me, a fashion YouTuber now. I'm like, the details, hardware. No, there's this little thing here that looks pretty cute. It's not just some ugly, like, I mean, from this it looks like just some random tag, but I don't know, the way this, anyway, it's a tote bag. And then there's a striped shirt. Is this a long sleeve or? It's one of those, it's kind of boxy looking, and I feel like, I really think that this is a, like, girls clothing, like the sizing, because I think LAP is a girls clothing brand. But then again, Daniel is the model and these are his picks, so I'm assuming these are unisex. Anyway, I've never really been a fan of shirts like this. I used to wear them a long time ago, but they're 약간 옛날 느낌. They feel a little like old school. And to be honest, they kind of remind me of like going vacation to the beach for some reason. And again, it has that addition on the thing, which actually looks kind of cool. I think it's supposed to look like sort of like a Supreme sort of thing. And then the main star of the show, the denim jacket. Oh, that smells really weird. I don't know how I feel about this. Well, first of all, the wash of the denim is like this kind of wash that I personally really dislike. Not on other people. I don't care for other people, but for me, I really don't like. I like light washes of denim or like dark washes, but there's this, I don't know what it is. You know this kind right here that look like mom jeans? It's that kind of denim. I'm not a big fan. Not really, I don't stand. Actually, just kidding. Let's unbox the other one. Let's unbox everything before we move on. So this one is the rain set. Again, it comes with this, but I don't know what this is. What this is for. And this one too also comes with 2 sticker sets. And then the raincoat. Now I got him. Oh, she comes with a hanger. You know, I think it's really great when a store gives you the hangers when you go shopping, because God knows I have like these, I got the flimsy ass hangers that like bend inwards, and so like when the shirt is on it, if it's too heavy, it like starts to bend in and it'll just like fall. So like my closet just like bent hangers in my closet with like clothes like the bottom. It's great because a lot of the hangers at stores are like the good shit, but of course most places will just take them off when you buy them. This is actually kind of cute. It kind of looks like the material is clearly like that, you know, like this raincoat material. What was the material called? I don't know, I'm fucking stupid. So if you know what it is, you can comment down below. You know when you go to Disneyland, you see all the tourists that wear like the ponchos if they're going on like a water ride? It's that material. The back says, again, edition. Los Angeles Project. I like, even though it has all this stuff, it's not obviously, it's not like Daniel's name is like plastered out over everything. It still looks pretty like legit. The only reason why I would be a little bit like about wearing it outside is because there's so many 101 fans. I mean, this is already sold out. I was checking and it's out of stock. So I would imagine, depending on what area you're probably gonna be running into a lot of girls wearing the same thing. So that's the only reason why I would be like about wearing it. But otherwise, it's not like, you know, it's still pretty stylish, I guess. I really like this detail right here. It almost looks like tags, but it kind of looks like those, remember, you know that bomber jacket that's really popular, but a few years ago, like in CL's music video, you know the bomber jacket with like, it's like black or whatever color on the inside, it's like orange, and there's that red tag on the side. It's kind of like that. And this also just says Ediciones. And this one actually came with a separate box that had an umbrella. Is this focus? Okay. Really cheap umbrella. It's one of those plastic ones. The ones that if you go to Daiso, like the convenience store, when it starts raining but you don't have an umbrella, so you gotta buy one emergency. It's like that material. But the design, oh, it's not one of the automatic ones. You gotta like, first world problem, you gotta press the thing here yourself. But that's the design. Little hard to say love. It's actually pretty cute. It's not like too tacky. It's pretty, like I would use it. Shit, that's adorable. And it seems, I don't know, actually it doesn't, I was about to say, it seems like sturdy, but I have a feeling that because lately it's been rainy and windy in Korea, like it was getting warm for spring, then all of a sudden it became really like windy. I'm afraid that this would like, I'd be that bitch that's like, ah, and like it turns inside out and I have to laugh it off. Oh my gosh. Woe is me, huh? While everyone's like, what the fuck? Now this one is not one of the like this was a Kang Daniel pick, but it wasn't one of the, like the curated boxes. This is just one item on its own. But it still came with like posters, I don't know, and stickers again. And this thing, I really fucking don't know what this is. And this one also comes with a hanger. A+, 5 out of 5 stars. Okay, so this was a bomber jacket like I was just talking about, but how much is this? Oh, I don't remember, I don't know why I forgot, but this was 199,000 won. I would never pay, I just did. I have nicer bomber jackets than this that are way more inexpensive. Oh my God, even my ad, you know that brand I always wear, ad? I got 2 of their new spring bomber jackets that are way cuter than this, feel way thicker, like the material is better, for way cheaper. But this is 199,000 won, and the material is almost like the raincoat. Like it's double, it's layered, but it doesn't feel like 199,000 bomber jacket. Well, the back is cute. It's got, you know, the edition shit on it. But that's about it. Oh my god, it looks a lot cute on here. Like it looked a lot cuter in the pictures. Like it was gonna be, like it's worth 190,000 won. So I'm a little perturbed. I'm a little pissed about this. I'm gonna try these on backwards in the order that I unbox them, because for the denim set I'm gonna have to take these clothes off. So I'll just try these jackets on while I'm still wearing these clothes. But the size is F, which means free size. In Korea, most things come in free size. Really? Kind of short. I mean, it's just right, but I prefer my sleeves to be. I'm kind of into that look where the sleeves are a little bit longer. But wait, this is supposed to look a little bit more. Because it's starting to look like a Peter Pan collar. Remember the Peter Pan collars? But I like literally just had the collar, they would like attach to shirts. How does it look? 괜찮나? I can't see the screen from that far, but hopefully it's even in focus, because it never fucking is. I think this would be really good. I mean, it's spring now, so I think that's good because it's thin. It's not too thick, because this would not be sufficient for winter or fall in Korea, I feel like. It's cute, I guess. I like this thing. Kind of, you know, I don't. Model. And I apologize for like the lack of light over here. It's like my doorway, so there's like no light. I'm gonna watch when I turn the camera if there's like a spirit there. Aloha, my white lady. Just kidding. Okay, and then the rain edition. So it's one of those ones that has like buttons and the zipper. To be honest, I feel like that's more of like an aesthetic thing. I never understood the point of having two forms of enclosing the jacket. No, this really feels like the bomber jacket, but just one thin layer. But I'm assuming that the main purpose of this is just to protect thee from the rain. Okay, half of me wants to be like, it's not fitted in the right places, like it doesn't look cool. But the other half is just like, it's a fucking raincoat, like what do you expect it to be? It's really long as well. It has pockets, that's nice. I always like a good pocket, because my hands are always in pockets. Yeah, it's I mean, the material is really thin, so you can literally just fold it up to this tiny little ball, and you can put it in your bag for maybe if you go to like the amusement park, like Everland or like Disneyland or Six Flags, and there's a chance it might rain, bitch, you're gonna be prepared. Or if you're going like on a water ride, then you'll have this, and you won't have to buy those expensive ass ponchos. I'm trying to rip you off, bitch. You're gonna try to sell me a $7 churro? Yes, bitch, worth the world. This is cute. I like it, but I look like a middle schooler. I look like a sim. Sin. Well, the shirt, I mean, it's not bad, but it's kind of tight. I've been really into overfit for the past few years. So this is a little, like, I feel like a middle schooler, but you know what? It's not bad. You know, hopefully this denim jacket will add a little bit of overfit element to the look. Ugh. Oh honey, she is tight as well. I do like though that it's a little bit, I'm really into denim jackets that are a little bit more cropped, like here, so that, you know, the shirt you're wearing is a little bit longer. I just like the way that it looks, because I like the way like it looks when the denim is a little bit over the shoulders. But I can't really do it with this because it's really tight. How does one model? 101. Yeah, I don't know. This is really tight. Probably good for spring, because it's not like for me it's tight, so it feels like it's gonna be warm. But I've been like working out recently, so maybe it's just like my body being like getting like all big and shit. Like, I'm kidding. I'll give this to like Victoria or something. Again, I do really like the back though. That's like my favorite part of this experience. Well, I have to say I'm a little bit like, I'm not disappointed. It's okay. The stuff isn't like ugly or anything. I wish this was a little bit bigger. I'm just a little bit perturbed about the pricing on these clothes, because for the same prices, I can get like better clothes from like my favorite brands. But I'm not surprised, because they're very smart actually with the marketing on this, because I mean, 101, Kang Daniel. I do like that they give you a bunch of like nice goodies though, so I guess it might be worth it. This one I feel like is the most bang for your buck, I suppose, because you get like denim can be pretty expensive. You know, get the shirt, you get this tote bag, and you get posters. So that bomber jacket though is a little bit offensive. I'm a little the fact that I paid that much for that. Doing it for the Vine. I hope you guys had fun. Don't often do fashion videos, but you know, it's 101 doing it for views. I'm playing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.